Welcome back to Mr. News Art Class. It's wonderful to see your smiling faces today. So on the tail end of yesterday's illustration, I kind of wanted to stray away from what I've been doing so far. So far, I've been using a dip pen and a paintbrush with Dr. P.H. Martin's Black Star Waterproof India ink. And I kind of made myself this unofficial rule for Inktober this year that I would use just this dip ink, not use any actual, pens that have ink inside of them, but just a dip pen and ink. I'm kind of regretting that decision. These are definitely not materials that I am used to using. They're not materials that I use regularly. And that's part of why I decided to use them, because I wanted to try something new. It's not really new. I've used it before, but it's something I knew that I could get better at with some practice. And as of right now, I'm kind of excited about it, kind of losing interest in it. But in the end, if I'm going to keep going with my plan of illustrating a comic-style Bible, I kind of need to keep it on track with the same visual style throughout the whole thing. Now, obviously, for Inktober here, I'm only doing one chapter of the Bible. I'm not going to do the whole Bible. If I decided that I ever wanted to go do the entire Bible, I probably would redo this entire chapter of Genesis with other supplies that I'm more comfortable with, that I know I could do a long-term project with. But who knows? We'll keep going with this. We'll see how the whole collection turns out in the end, and we'll see how I feel about these supplies by the end of the month. And that completes verse 10 of Genesis chapter 1. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Give the video a thumbs up or down to let me know if you like it or not. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And have a blessed day. And remember, this illustration is not intended to replace legitimate Bible translations. Artistic license has been heavily utilized.